Hello guys, today I've got the NAVEE GT3 Max and I'm going to show you how to fix that scooter can't sync with the app. I need to tell you that this issue is actually quite complex to fix, so be prepared for it. At first, what I do recommend doing is turning off your application completely, like this. Just turn it off. As you can see, the Bluetooth connection has disappeared, as it should. Now, you should turn on, open this application back again. Where is it? Here. And it should appear back again. Now, everything should be synced. If it doesn't work for you, you need to go further. Turn it off using this button. And now close the application. Now turn your scooter back on. As you can see, you can't because it's locked, right? Yeah. So what you need to do now is to open the NAVEE app, because when we turned on our scooter, it should refresh the connection. Now we should be able to have our scooter working. Turn it on. And now it locked. I don't know why. Mine did lock. Let me quickly fix it. Now, okay. Now mine is unlocked. My scooter is kind of buggy, so be prepared for that. But now we are here. If it still doesn't work for you, you need to perform a factory reset and uninstall this application and bind your scooter from the app. So at first, what you need to do is to go to learn more right here. Tap Unbind and confirm. Then uninstall completely application from your device. Now hold the brake here and push throttle 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now, as you can see, but we should be in the Find My Parent mode, which actually is searching for new connection. New Bluetooth connection, new location connection, new Find My connection. It should be actually 3 times, not 5. That's my mistake. So it should be like this. Hold brake and now 1, 2, 3. Okay, so when you are after that, try to install this application back again. Tap link my device and link your device. That should be it for this video. If it's not, you need to go contact device support. Goodbye.